Here I have Mitsubishi Outlander, and let me show you how to see your eco-driving score on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the following part of the steering wheel, and let me explain how to navigate in instrument cluster, because those information are in your instrument cluster. So here let's use this part. Let's use the left and right arrows to choose left and right, confirm options by pressing OK, and scroll up and down by using the OK button. Alright, so now if you know the basics, you can go to your instrument cluster. As you can see, in your instrument cluster, let's use the arrows to highlight the settings, press OK to confirm it, scroll down, and here you should find the eco settings. Then let's scroll down and choose here Eco Info Settings, and as you can see here, you can enable the Eco Indicator and Eco Drive Report. So basically, this menu turns Eco Tracking on or off. Eco Indicator turns on a small leaf or light on your screen that shows you if you are driving smoothly. Eco Drive Report gives you a quick score or a summary of how cleanly and efficiently you drove after you turn off the engine. So I like to have enabled both of those features, so let me leave it like that. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.